Within the next 6 minutes, you can have a fully automated 24/7 wealth generation system running in the background of your life. Building this does not require hiring an expensive financial advisor or spending your weekends managing complex spreadsheets. If you have a steady income, access to your banking app, and 15 minutes of time, you have everything you need to start. This wealth building process is driven by one specific equation: the gap multiplied by the machine multiplied by time. By focusing on these three variables, you move from guessing how to save to following a repeatable logic that works at any scale. Step 1 is identifying your gap. This is the difference between what you earn each month and what you spent. Manually tracking receipts is slow and easy to skip. AI budget trackers remove that friction by automating the data collection for you. To start, download an AI budgeting application and securely link your bank accounts and credit cards. The algorithm scans your historical transactions and categorizes your spending. It specifically looks for money leaks, like recurring subscription charges you may have forgotten about. On average, users discover between $300 and $800 a month in hidden expenses that can be recovered. Redirecting this recovered money into your investments provides the fuel needed for the rest of the wealth formula to function. Step 2 is building the machine. This is the engine that puts your discovered gap to work in the financial markets. Using a robo-advisor application allows you to bypass the high minimum balances and fees typically required by human wealth managers. To build your investment profile, the software requires 3 inputs: your age, your current income, and your risk tolerance. Based on those details, the algorithm generates a diversified investment portfolio in under 5 minutes. Once active, the AI manages the portfolio in the background. It handles everything from tax optimization to constant rebalancing to ensure your assets stay aligned with your goals. This comparison shows the impact on your returns. An AI-powered system typically charges an annual fee of 0.25%, while a human financial advisor often charges 1% or more. This automation ensures your gap is deployed into the markets according to your set profile, removing the manual effort and the emotional guesswork usually required for investing. To activate the system, link your bank account to the robo-advisor and enable the auto-deposit function for the amount of your monthly gap. This sets compound growth in motion. To see the impact, imagine 2 investors who both contribute $500 a month with an average return of 8%. The investor who starts at age 25 will see their portfolio grow to approximately $1.75 million by age 60. The investor who waits until age 35 to start the exact same plan ends up with approximately $570,000. That 10-year delay creates a massive disparity in wealth. The early starter ends up with 3 times as much money, simply because they gave the multiplier more time to work. Enabling your auto deposit today is the only way to ensure you capture the full power of this time multiplier. Once your system is running, you must protect it from 3 specific behavioral mistakes. The first is waiting for a perfect time to start or fund your account. Historical data across every major market shows that consistent time in the market outperforms attempts to time the market's ups and downs. The second mistake is abandoning your automated plan to chase high-yield trends or get-rich-quick schemes that often result in a loss of capital. The third mistake is confusing a high income with wealth. Earning more only builds wealth if you prevent lifestyle inflation from absorbing your raises, using that extra income to increase your gap instead. The formula only works if you commit to letting the automation run without emotional interference. By following these steps, you now have a functioning investment system, a tool that most people never take the time to build. You have identified your gap, built your machine, and the variable of time is now working in your favor. Tell me in the comments which of these 3 steps you are taking first today. Build Wealth Smarter with AI provides data-backed AI financial strategies to help you manage and grow your assets. In our next video, we are testing the top 5 AI budgeting tools to see which one is most effective at finding hidden money leaks. Subscribe to the channel to keep optimizing the automated wealth system you just built.